Thank you very much, Most Venerable Paratana and Mahasangha. Today we are gathering here to welcome our great mission, great monk who set out from Texas to Washington, D.C. So on behalf of the World Buddhist Dhammaduta Organization, WBDO, on behalf of IBAA, the International Buddhist Association of America, and also in the name of the Council of the Thai Bhikkhus in USA, I would like to thank all of you to come and join and welcome the Peace Walk's participants. Your noble journey is not only a walk across the land, but walk across the heart of the people by moving step by step with mindfulness, discipline, patience, and loving kindness. You bring the ancient Theravada Buddhist tradition vividly into the present moment. It is the Dhamma in action, transforming timeless teaching into practical living example for the world can see, feel, and learn from. Through these peaceful walks, you are creating awareness of the Buddha's original message to nonviolence, compassion, and wisdom, value preserved and transmitted through the Theravada tradition for over 2.5 millennia. Your journeys demonstrate that peace is not merely a concept to be spoken about, but a path to be walked, embodied, and shared through conduct, intention, and service. We respectfully encourage all of you to learn how to be peace inside and support each other in the possible way by spreading awareness, offering moral and material support, practicing compassion in every life, and committing themselves to the cultivation of peace within and around them. May your journey be safe and meaningful. May your footsteps awaken hearts and minds. May your dedication inspire many to choose peace over hatred, understanding over fear, and compassion over division. Thank you very much for all of you, and thank you so much.